Welcome. Today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds are activated because when I'm just swapping with my finger here to the right side, I can open the Google Feed. And now I'll just show you how you can just turn it off. Now just hold for a while your screen and you'll see the home settings section tab there, and just here you get the swipe to access Google App Switcher. Just tap here once on the switcher to turn it off, and now we'll just go back to our screen. And as can you see now, just when I'm swapping with my finger here to the right side, I can't open the Google Feeds. And if you want to just turn off them again, just tap here again on the switcher, and by this way, as can you see, we activated our Google Feeds again. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.